Hey there mga my loves, Capricorn. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan na reading na to mga babes, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na reading na to for you, then this reading might be really for you. Hi and hello sa mga new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. So yan. Thank you so much po sa inyong pag-drop by and hope that you're gonna stay here with us. So, to the returning subscribers, alam niyo naman yan mga babes. At I'm gender detail at timeless. Ito. So, thank you so much sa wala talaga ninyong patid na pagsuporta sa akin dito. Okay. So, tinan natin dito, Capricorn, ko anong meron dito for you, beats. So, Spirits and Angel Guides, Angel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please show me what do we have here for Capricorn? Energy check-in for my Capricorn, please. What do we have here for Capricorn? Capricorn. Tell me something about me, Capricorn, please. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Capricorn. Nakakita ko Capricorn, no, ng tao rito na panay ang isip sa inyo, no, at hindi niya alam rito yung gagawin sa situation with you. Actually, hinihintay ka niya rito, no, pero mukhang kahit alam mo na hinihintay ka niya, no, wala ka ritong ginagawang action. So, yan, no. So, parang dead makils ka. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. Parang ayaw mo siyang kausapin, parang bala ka dyan, kung malungkot ka, wala akong pakialam sa'yo or whatever, yan. No? So, regardless kung anong nararamdaman mo, like, wala akong pakialam. Yan, ang taray mo dun. Okay, so tinan pa natin mga babes, no? Hmm. Okay. Kasi meron ka ng ibang tinitingnan, so wala ka na rin talagang pakialam. Pero meron ditong gusto ng pagbabago sa situationship ninyo, no? See, sabi ko sa inyo, to the moon and to the five of cups energy sa someone here, no? Who feels this kind of deep sorrow. Okay? And when we say deep sorrow, what it is that kind of sadness, that kind of feeling, no, na parang wala na akong magagawa dito sa sitwasyon na to, kundi ang umiyak, kundi ang patuloy rito na magstay sa loneliness, sa ganitong klase ng feelings and emotions of sadness, yan. No? Wala siya rito magawa about the situation, pero gusto niya rito ng pagbabago. Yun na nakikita ko dito, Capricorn. No? So, kung sino man tong tao na to, like literally you're ignoring this person because you're already facing here. And yung iba sa inyo, kaya ayaw nyo na rin siya makipag-deal dito sa kanya kasi meron na kayo rito ibang family. Meron na kayo rito pwede may asawa na kayo ngayon. Pwede rin naman na bumuo na kayo ng sarili ninyong pamilya. If hindi pa kayo kasal, no, you could be connecting here with someone new. Bago na, no? Yung nasa buhay ninyo, no? Or kung ikaw to na wala kang bagong kakonect, no, pwedeng may nakikita ka ngayon, new potential lover. Yan, no? So, pwedeng hindi mo pa siya nililigawan or wala tayong gender dito mga mahal, no? So, pwede rin naman na wala ka pang ginagawang movement papunta sa kanya, pero like literally sa ibang direction ka na nakatingin. So, wala ka na ditong planong buksan pa, no? Kasi close off kayo pagdating dito sa tao na to. At nakakuha tayo rito mga babes, no? Na this is the type of energy na gagawin niya yung lahat, no? Kung pwede lang na maibalik dito yung oras at panahon, gagawin niya. Okay? Pero we do all know that it's not possible to happen. So, this person is now, pinifeel niya na lang rito yung sadness. There's this deep sorrow into this person's eyes, no? Pag tiningnan mo siya rito, mararamdaman mo yung energy niya, like literally sobrang lungkot nitong tao na to, deep down within his or her soul. Kasi this is the type of energy right here, no, na gusto mo ng pagbabago pero wala kang magawa. Okay? To change that something. Okay? Wala kang magawa, no, para mabago yung sitwasyon, para sumaya ka. Kasi yung nagpapasaya sa'yo or yung magpapasaya sa'yo rito, no, ay tuluyan ng tumalikod sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, tinalikuran mo na siya, like literally, ever these energies are, I'm picking up that this is someone here na hindi ka na mag-open pa ng kahit na ano ritong line with this person. You're totally blocking this person right here, not just in social media applications, not just in text messages or phone lists, but also in your life, no? In general dito. So yeah, let's see at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, you're receiving justice right here, and I think this person is receiving that karma. Okay? So, as what I'm picking up right here, this is you na bumabalanse yung buhay mo at yun yung justice mo rito, mga mahal, no? But this person is actually no bumabalanse rito ang kanyang life, no? Pero kailangan niyang dumaan sa harsh truth, no? Kasi why? Di ba hindi tayo matututo kapag hindi tayo nasasaktan? So, it also applies with this person. Of what is this person's situation right now? This person is receiving his or her justice because of what he or she had done with you in the past. Because, see, at the middle of this reading, this person wants to go back to that time, no? Bago siya magkamali. Pero ikaw, ayaw mo nang bumalik dun sa time na yon kasi you think na it's just a waste of time, no? Aksaya lang ito sa oras mo, no, to deal with this person right here. And I'm seeing you that you're moving away as fast as you can, di ba? Far away from this person. Yun yung nakikita ko rito, no? At yan, no, tinuldukan mo na rito mga babes, no? Ang kung ano mang meron sa inyong dalawa. See? I'm picking up that this is you. See? Look at that. Okay? No matter what, tapos na talaga kayo rito. No? But you're building your life ano. I'm picking up that you're starting here your new beginning with this that energy right here, new beginning ka na, ang tapos ay tapos na for you, end na itong situation na to with this past person, at nagsimula ka na ulit, no, na mabuhay rito, no, nang naaayon rito sa iyong kagustuhan. So, hindi ko alam kung ba't ko na-mention yun specifically, but I'm also getting this kind of message na maaari kasi no mga babes na nung kayo pa, or during that time, no, nung konektado ka pa sa kanya, nakikita ko dito na parang wala kang laya maging self mo. So, pwedeng may manipulation or pwede rin dito mga babes no, na parang hindi ka talaga as in naging, I mean, hindi ka nakahinga. No? So, pwedeng nakakasakal yung relationship. Or hindi ka nabigyan dito mga babes no, ng laya na makapagsalita or mapakinggan yung side mo. So, pwede rin na ikaw yung laging nagsusorry in every situation kahit pwedeng siya yung may fault. Yan, no? Nakuha ko ng ganun, so I have to mention that. So whatever the case may be, you're not going back with this person right here, Capricorn, and I'm seeing that you're moving forward here with someone new. Meron ka na rito, hindi lang basta attraction, kundi talagang gusto mo maging responsable rito sa tao na yan. Gusto mo mga babes no, na maging responsable in building this kind of legacy, this future right here, because we have here the Ten of Cups. Ibig sabihin, emotionally, napapasaya ka rin ng tao na yan. And emotionally, that person is also fulfilled because nandyan ka. So, ibig sabihin, meron ditong pantay na pagtingin, no? At kung, mga babes, no, hindi pa kayo umaamin sa tao na yan for others of you, no? Pagka nagkaroon na rito ng pag-open, pagbukas dito ng connection dyan sa bago na yan, makikita mo, no, na magugustuhan ka rin ng tao na yan. Makikita niya rin sa'yo yung potential na makikita mo or nakikita mo sa kanya. So yeah, I'm seeing right here, see, I can see a lot of achievement at mas magiging successful tong connection na to with the new person right here than going back with the old one. Yeah. So even though that old one wants to change everything right here, I'm picking up that this is still something here na never mo nang babalikan ever. So yeah, see, you're moving away with the Chariot card right here as fast as you can. See, and you're starting your life, no? At nakikita ko na nagpapatuloy ka rito. With the Page of Pentacles right here, I'm seeing that you're in for the new beginnings here in your life. At ang focus mo rito, no, ay kung saan ka mag-grow. Okay? Kasi nakita ko rito ng halaman mo na atog nito, merong pataba sa tabi niya, may pataba ng mga halaman no at nakatutok sa sun. So ibig sabihin this is you, no? Gusto mo dito ng something stable, connection man yan, partnership, trabaho man yan, money related, finances, business, career. Okay? Something stable sa money, something stable sa job, something stable rin sa commitment, no? At ano ang sun? You're facing the sun, what it is. Okay? You're moving towards happiness, fulfillment, and growth, and healing as well. So, yun, mga babes, no? Dun ka napapunta. Yun yung focus mo dito, no? So, for this person right here, this person is receiving some kind of a karma. pero magbe-benefit siya diyan. Kasi matututo siya diyan, no, na tanggapin ang kanyang mga pagkakamali at maging responsable sa mga mistakes or mga damages na nagawa niya before. And because of that, no, kapag ka dumating na rin yung tamang tao para sa kanya dito, no, hindi niya na magagawang maulit pang muli ang mga nagawa niyang mali, no, yesterday or kahapon or nung nakaraan. Yan, no, not just with you, but with all the people, no, na pwedeng nasaktan niya dito sa connection na ito. So, yeah, okay. I can see that you're staying your ground. Okay? You're enabling boundaries with whoever that is, no? Mas mataas sa'yo yung mga ginawa mong fences. So, it looks like, no, super protected mo rito yung sarili mo from this person right here. Yeah. And for the new love that you're receiving here, I'm picking up that this is you moving towards your happiness and success, not just in your love life, but also with your romantic relationship. Yung iba sa inyo nakikita ko na magiging katrabaho or katrabaho niya. No, makakatuluyan niya yung tao na yan at bubuo kayo ng isang magandang pamilya rito. Rainbow is the symbol of hope right here, no? Isang pag-asa, no? Na after the storm, di ba? It is a promise na hindi na ulit ito mauulit, no? At kung maulit man itong storm na to, no, mapagtatagumpayan ninyo. So, whatever the case may be, this storm symbolizes tests, challenges right here na makukonquer mo with your new person here. So, it's a healthy connection and relationship, commitment with someone new. So, if this is your reading right here, honey, claim this, mga may loves, because it is somewhat wonderful right here. So, you deserve all the messages right here, Capricorn. So, thank you so much. Love and light. 사랑해. 안녕.